Hi, I'm Tanya Olin, and I teach 4th grade Reading and Language Arts. Naturally, for my Action Research project for Education, Media, Design, and Technology at Full Sail University, I wanted to focus on reading. The goal for my Action Research was to integrate Web 2.0 tools to motivate and engage students in developing innovative products based on text. I noticed that students were having a problem with motivation and engaging in text. Research supported my problem and my hypothesis of integrating technology so that motivation and engagement in text will improve, as well as creative thinking, constructing knowledge, and developing innovative products based on text.
I hope you get it, 'cause it looks so fine.
In Cycle 1, students read Bridge to Terabithia with the thought in mind as to how they would share this story with their buddies through video conferencing. One group of students needed to identify the main characters, ideas, and setting and create a book talk to persuade their audience to read the book. One group was in charge of creating a Google presentation to introduce our class, the school, and describe where in Arizona we are located. Another group was summarizing the book using StoryJumper, and the final group chose their favorite part of the book to share using Voki. I used the following movie to demonstrate what a digital book talk is, using a familiar story that all students in the group could relate with.
Yes, you look
Students really worked hard on their projects. When it came time for their video conference, they were thoroughly engaged. All students participated in presenting and answering questions. They all expressed how they would like to do this again. Hey class, Miss Olin here. I want to tell you the secret to the successful growth of this city. It is the language spoken there by all. You may not notice it at first, but I'll help you out. The language is called figurative language. Figurative language goes beyond literal language. It is not the dictionary. During Cycle 2, I focused on figurative language. The essential question my students needed to answer was, in what way could you teach someone about figurative language? I modeled using the previous video and the one you see now. Students also had tasks like finding figurative language in picture books before designing their lessons. Oh wait, you can't forget our favorite simile. When Sally sells seashells by the seashore, or Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, it's called alliteration. That's what occurs when you've got the same sound at the start of each word. The final products students produced are amazing. The students really developed essential skills for gathering and making sense of information, communicating, using higher order thinking skills, collaborating, reflecting, and self-evaluating. The only technology integrated into the classroom for students in Cycle 2 were cameras and my laptop to complete their projects.
I gotta go to the bathroom. Awesome, gee. Welcome to our simile lesson. This is Nick, and we're going to learn about similes. You know what a simile is?
Hey Miss Olin's class. Today we are going to be taking a reading motivation survey.
Data for my action research project was both quantitative and qualitative in nature. I used the following video to explain the quantitative survey using Google Forms, which I gave as a pre- and post-test regarding student motivation toward reading. The qualitative data gathered included myself journaling on the success of the activities done and the attitudes of the students, as well as students' reflection of their work. Based on the information I collected from the online survey using Google Forms, I can conclude that students prefer to read comics individually, and think that drawing is the best way to tell a story. Each time I have given the survey, a greater percentage of students are reading for fun, and they are doing so more frequently. Since the conclusion of my action research project, I have prepared my publishing leadership project and submitted to speak at the Georgia Educational Technology Conference. This conference provides educators the opportunity to learn about the latest in educational technology and offers a forum for discussion among professionals concerned with technology and education. I think that this conference would be a great platform for me to share my action research project and journey at Full Sail.